workers who are suspended 800 feet during their long-time breaks without any form of protection. But the amount of high-rise buildings scattered all over the picture. Now, this is what baffles me. What kind of reinforcement were they using back then? Because this picture was taken in 1932. You're welcome to True Star Television, bringing you Lands and Creeps, your real estate channel, where we don't just tell you things, but we also show you. And today we'll be talking more about reinforcements, the importance of reinforcements in building construction. And if you're new to this channel, I will encourage you to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So sit down, stay tuned, don't go anywhere as we talk more on the importance of reinforcement in building construction. Welcome back. Now, last week I fulfilled my promise of showing you what a land ferry is. And we all had an awesome time together at the block factory. Now today we're still going to mention things like cement, sand, aggregates, and concrete. But we are not talking about block making today. We're talking about reinforcement. Now, what is reinforcement? What do we mean by reinforcement? Now, to reinforce means to increase the overall strength of a component. Now, in this case, we're talking about the support structure. Now, in construction, columns, beams, they all serve as support structures. Now, in Nigeria, one of the major support structures we use is concrete. And concrete is made up of cement, sand, water, and aggregates. And when it solidifies, wow, it has a very strong compressive strength. Concrete is known as artificial stone, but concrete has a disadvantage. Now, for construction, there are two major types of reinforcement that is used in Nigeria: reinforced concrete and structural steel. Now, only concrete can stand alone because of a disadvantage, and that disadvantage is weak tensile strength. What do I mean? When there is tension, it cannot withstand it. So, in order to make concrete stronger, we need to add another component that has a very strong tensile strength. That is where we bring in steel. So it now becomes what? Reinforced concrete. Now, steel plus concrete, which is also artificial stone, when merged together, creates a stronger bond, which has both what? Compressive strength and tensile strength. Now, another reinforcement component used in Nigeria, but not mostly for smaller buildings like bungalows, duplexes, it is structural steel. When it comes to high-rise buildings and skyscrapers, structural steel is the preferred, the most preferred. Now, it has its own advantages. It has a very strong compressive strength, strong tensile strength, ductility, and durability. And also, it has an adaptability feature, which means it can be formed and transformed into different types. There is a third type, an option that some professionals are trying to come up with, especially in Nigeria, due to the high cost of steel. Bamboo. You're surprised that it is bamboo. Now, bamboo is superior when it comes to tensile strength. It can withstand tension, and it is superior to timber and to steel, according to some professionals. But yes, there is a big but, a very big but. Now, yes, bamboo may have that tensile strength, a high one, but it has a disadvantage or disadvantages. When used in its natural form, especially when it is not treated, bamboo can swell with water and rot. That is one issue. And when it rots, find out that you don't have any more reinforcement, it's just concrete. Another disadvantage with bamboo is this: bamboo can shrink. Yes, it has shrinkage problem, and once it shrinks, it segregates. By segregation, we mean it separates from the concrete. Then you find out that you don't have any more reinforcement. So, is bamboo the best option? Can bamboo replace steel when it comes to reinforcement? That will be a question for another day. Now, what happens when you're doing concrete reinforcement? Because that is what is mostly used for normal buildings, duplexes, bungalows. What are the dangers of using concrete that is not properly done? What are the dangers? So in our next episode, you'll be listening to one of our professionals who will speak more on the dangers of a poorly done concrete mix in reinforcing a building. So till we meet again, it's goodbye from us. And if you have not clicked the subscribe button, I will encourage you to do that, so that when we upload our next video, you will be the number one to be informed. So goodbye, and keep on watching Lands and Cribs, where we don't just tell you things, we also show you.